Hey everybody, so there's a big storm outside, and guess who's coming? So dickens. So dickens. Yeah, no, she's sleeping. There's a huge storm outside. Oh my god. I didn't hear that. Did you hear that? Yeah, the lights might come out, but I'm not scared. I'm not scared of no storm. Okay, it's over here. I'm scared. Were you just sleeping? Thunder woke you up. Yeah. Thunder woke you up. Stupid Mother Nature. No one likes you. See. Can I go? Can I go look, Dickens? I'll be right back. I get my glasses on. Dickens interested now. Oh, feel the breeze. Oh, ew, just like, I don't know if you can see the flies on the screen there, but they're trying to get in. Yeah, it sure is windy and cold. Poor flies can't come in here. But, yeah. Just a big storm. Just a big storm. It won't hurt us. What? Dale. Come here, Dickens. Come here. You want to cuddle? You want to cuddle and go to sleep? Yeah. I'll see you guys later. But today I can't, they do outside today. I was gonna go swim today, but it rained and it's all stormy now. And so, yeah. See you guys later. Subscribe to become a Smiler. Oh yeah. Smiler. And like. I'll see you guys later. Say bye, Dickens. Say bye. Say bye. Bye.